GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMO. Manufactured to GMO specification for fit, form, and function. Country of origin, United States. Fit type, vehicle specific. AC Delco GM original equipment instrument panel switch bezel is a GM recommended replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: cooling, HVAC, ignition, starting and charging, body electrical and lighting, wiper and washer, and/or engine fuel management. This original equipment bezel will provide the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfectly. All my lights stopped working and the fuse was still good, so I figured I'd replace the switch and dimmer before searching for bare wires or loose connections. And it worked. And as replacing the switch and dimmer, might as well replace this while you're there. Factory one will be very brittle as it's old. Easy to replace, good priced, shipped fast.